This Century 21 Delia Realty Group property video is presented by Amy Smith. Own a piece of history with this home. It is waiting for someone who will give it the love and restore the magic it needs to be a true showstopper that it can be. This home is well built from the 1920s, which places it well over 100 years old. This home is waiting for you to restore the beauty in it. It has so much to offer, and has so much space. Would make an excellent office space as well for your business, located downtown DeRidder. The apartment building is part of this property. For more information, review the details below.